How to fix and solve Google restricted account. So if you want to fix and solve Google restricted account, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And then you need to search for Google account restricted. And then you need to go with the first option, which is support.google.com, which has appeal business profile content. Just tap on it. You'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply scroll down a bit and then submit an appeal. Or if you want to contact the support, you can just simply go ahead and click on submit feedback. After which you could go ahead and provide the supported evidence. That could be an essential way to fix your Google restricted account. Now, similarly, what you could also do is if they persist, then you can go ahead and make sure to clear the cache as well. To do that, you need to just find your Google application, tap and hold on to the application for a few seconds, and then go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to just simply scroll down, go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store and go with search. And from search, you need to search for Google. And after searching for Google, if you have any updates on your Google, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.